Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Kalshi Referral bonus. Start by opening the Kalshi app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look to the top corner and tap on the side menu icon. This will open a list of options. Scroll through the menu until you find the option that says Invite a Friend. Tap on it. On this screen, you will see your personal referral link. This link is unique to your account, so any friend who signs up using it will be connected to your referral. Now tap on the copy button to copy your invite link. After that, share the link with your friend. You can send it through messages, email, or any social media platform. For you to receive the referral bonus, your friend must follow a few important steps. First, your friend needs to sign up using your referral link. If they do not use your link, the referral will not be tracked. Next, your friend must complete identity verification. This is also called the KYC process. They will need to provide details like their SSN and address. This step is required to activate their account fully. After that, your friend needs to place trades on Kalshi. This is the most important part. Most referral bonuses require your friend to trade at least $100 in total. This can be done in multiple trades, but the total amount must reach that level. Once your friend completes these steps, the bonus will be triggered. Kalshi will then deposit the referral reward into both your account and your friend's account. If you are a new user, you can also use someone else's referral link and follow the same steps to receive your bonus. Thanks for watching.